Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also ring the bell icon.
Hi guys!
मैं हूँ अश्मित
And this Garima.
and welcome to our channel.
Damsels in Style.
This pandemic has been really scary,
And so has been this lockdown.
but as the government is relaxing the lockdown,
We might have to adjust to a new normal. And while we wouldn't advise you guys to head out until absolutely necessary, but some of us have to go to work.
for all the people who have to step out of their houses for work and to earn a living, we have come up with this guide where you can, take all the precautions to protect yourself from the virus without compromising with your style and looking your fashionable best. So let's begin. So the first item of clothing that we're going to talk about are shrugs.
Shrugs could be your own PPE kit. These could provide you contactless travel. As most of us might have to take the public transport and contact may happen, even if we try our best to avoid it, you can cover yourself with shrugs and easily remove it if you feel like at your workplace.
So we would want you to opt for, shrugs with flower patterns or mixed fabrics or checks, or if you're into monochromatic and you're that stylish diva, then you can go for a monochromatic look with beige shrugs or white shrugs or single tone shrugs, but it will still amp up your outfit because the three-piece outfits are really in trend and shrug adds that third piece to your entire look.
Fuller sleeves.
Coming to our second trend, sleeves are the biggest trend of 2020. If you have looked at any of the fashion designs and the fashion weeks that have happened so far, you'll notice that sleeves are the big definition of style this season. So it's just an advice where you can go for bishop sleeves, or you can go for puff sleeves, or you can go for balloon sleeves to add that extra element of style.
Shirts and kurtis with these types of sleeves will not only protect you from touching unnecessary surfaces, but also amp up your style game. Pro tip, with so much volume in your sleeves and in your kurtas, the 6 feet distance will be inevitable. Might come as a shock, but experts have said that even our hair can become a carrier for the virus. So guess what? Gone are the days of letting those locks out and free. So I have put my hair into this French braid, and below that I've kept a low ponytail which looks absolutely chic.
So here are two hairstyles which are low maintenance, which will keep your hair out of your face and you won't have to keep touching your hair again and again. It'll keep them in one place and will also give you that extra element of sophistication, because when your hair is cleanly and tightly wrapped, you look more chic. That's a known fact.
Now going to the jewelry.
Accessorizing is so important. If I'm not wearing any accessory, I feel blank, I feel left out, I feel like I did not make an effort. So I know that accessories are important, but what is more important is your safety and protection. So when you have to wear a mask, it's gonna pull at your ears and it hurts all day.
So make sure that you're wearing small studs or earrings to not burden the ears even more. And as the virus tend to stay active on smoother surfaces for a longer time, avoid wearing rings as you head out. So less is going to be more this season. we all know how much we dread wearing masks, but you know what? This could be a blessing in disguise. क्योंकि मास्क हमें प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं सन और पोल्यूशन से, लेकिन इसका एक डाउन साइड भी है, लिपस्टिक स्टेन्स और फाउंडेशन जो मास्क पे रह जाता है. तो हम आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप स्किन केयर में इन्वेस्ट करें इस सीज़न बजाय मेकअप के.
From reading other people's blogs and watching all these vlogs, we've come to this conclusion that sun is our worst enemy when it comes to aging. So we would advise you to invest in a really good sunscreen and use that because that is more important right now.
Moving on to the last and final tip, fabric.
When it comes to fabrics for summers, our advice to you is always to avoid synthetic fabrics.
Go for natural fibers, cotton blends, linen, summer friendly, skin friendly, as most of the offices are saying goodbye to the central air conditioning. You know you'll be uncomfortable in polyester, so just avoid all this fuss and wear breathable clothes. So guys, we hope that you found these tips worthy of your time,
And we hope that you missed us. And if you like this video, don't forget to comment down below.
we can't begin to explain to you how much we've missed you guys, how much we missed this time together, and how much we're still missing each other. So we just hope this misery to end and everybody to come a little closer, but until then, let's hold each other's hand through this.
So the last time we saw you guys was the last time we saw each other, and we're trying to be as responsible as we can during this time. So please bear with us.
We are coming up with a new series for our Thursday videos, which will be personal styling. We'll be learning about personal styling together because very less has been talked about personal styling in Indian context. So we thought we'll start doing that. So you guys stay on with us and we'll see you soon.
And don't forget to like,